Hello, hello my yarny friends, how are you all today? It is an unboxing. I've got a yarn haul from Frankie Grey Fibres, which is Jodie from the Grocery Girls, and big fan of them girls. They're just amazing, so much fun. And I get a lot of knitting done as well while I'm watching them. So anyway, I ordered from Jodie's website, and as you all know, I'm here in the UK, and it's Canada. They're in Canada, and if you spent over 200 Canadian dollars, postage was free. So it didn't work out at that much for me, because I think it cost me about 150, and my little parcel has arrived. It's arrived. So without further ado, let's get a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors, and my lovely scissors from Cynthia, and they're just the right size, and making sure that I don't cut into it. So how are you all, guys? How are you all? Are you all okay? Everything's okay here. So, oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Rummy umptious. It's in a Ziploc bag, which is nice. So let's see what we've got on the top. Oh, Frankie Grey Fibres. I've got a little tape measure, guys. Look. Let me just take it out of this bag. Excuse the crinkle. Excuse the crinkle. There we go. And it's got a little pussycat. Now Jodie loves pussycats, and so do I, so look. Isn't that fun? Nice. So I've got that. Thermal direction ribbon. Oh, right, okay. It's just what I've ordered. So I've ordered Sweet Tarts DK, Indigo Mohair, Lilac Ice Fingering Weight, and Staycation Fingering. And it's from Jodie and Jordan. Frankie Grey Fibres. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you have fun creating something fabulous from Jodie and Jordan. So thank you, Jodie and Jordan. And this is the sweet treats, and this is, look at all them, that lovely. I'm not sure whether it's doing it justice, guys. I love the little speckles. Lovely. So this is proudly Canadian. Right, okay, it's a DK weight, which is the 3 weight, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 224 meters, 245 yards. So I've got 3 of them. So I've got 3 of them, and then I got this is called Staycation, and this is a finger weight, and it's 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 100 grams, 365 meters, 400 yards. So that'll make a nice pair of socks. I think they'll make a really nice pair of male socks. So I've got that, and then this, I got these to go together. I'm not decided what I'm going to make with it yet, but this is for Lilac Ice. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? doesn't show up as that. I think that's about the right colour there. And then I've got the indigo to work with it, and this is mohair, 70% kid mohair and 30% silk, 420 metres, 459 yards, and there is 50 grams in each skein. But I thought they would work really nice together. What do you think, guys? So I've not decided yet what I'm going to do with these. I might, I'm not sure yet. I'll have to have a look. I'll have to have a look on Ravelry and see what patterns. Yeah, I'll have to see what patterns I can find. But it is lovely. I think I did have a pattern in mind, but it's that long ago since I ordered it. Well, it's not that long ago, but I've had a lot of, it's been quite an emotional few months, shall we say. But I know I bought them for something in mind, and I'll have to look through my patterns to see which one it was. But hey ho, guys, this is what I purchased. So they are my purchases from Frankie Gray Fibres. So I got them, and I got, let me just get them sorted. Just want to show you. So if I've got them all. Yeah. So Frankie Gray Fibres, guys, highly recommend. Didn't take long to get here from Canada. So have you got any suggestions what I could knit with this or crochet? Definitely going to be making socks with that, and I'm not sure with this one yet. Not sure. Might make a nice vest with this one. We'll see. Or a nice vest with this. This will be nice, a nice vest. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, all your prayers, all your help, everything. Because my channel wouldn't be what it is today without all your help. So thank you so much for that. Welcome to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much. And if you are new here, please think about clicking the bell icon and the subscribe button, and enjoy my videos. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.